Hi, I'm Caleb Gale. We're in Bend, Oregon, and this is Dapple. We're having her for Dachshund races. Right now, she is sponsoring White Oak Construction.
This is Dapple. She's a Dachshund competitor for White Oak Construction. She's getting ready to run. She's looking at the race course. Pretty mighty here, so you take a look around. It's a crazy day.
Good luck, Weenie.
Cheer them on. All right, are we ready to go to registration on the starting line? Okay, follow me. Let's hear it for this year's Deschutes Veterinary Clinic Wiener Dog Race competitors. Look at this group. I have not seen a group of competitors this fit in years, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to see some steep competition this year. We've got brown dogs. We've got black dogs. We've got dogs. We've got everything. Wiener dogs coming through to this one. Geppetto has competed in every year that we've had the Deschutes Veterinary Clinic Wiener Dog races for the past 5 years that he's been around. So he's a lifer. We'll see how Geppetto does, and his training's really going to pay off this year. Lane number 1, Geppetto.
All right, you guys, step on up.
And they're off! And it's a fast start for one of them. Oh, wait! He's almost there. Number 5,
Oh, Geppetto!
Geppetto forgot everything he did.
How did the Dachshund do, Caleb?
10 out of 10.
What?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? So what I saw was the dog ran forward and then backward.
Yep.
So, okay, well, she's cute, if nothing else. So, White Oak Dachshund, cute, but no cigar.
Here's to White Oak Construction for sponsoring our Silly Pines here at the Bend Oktoberfest.
Raise your glasses. Come on, raise your glasses.